Hello, this is Scott with Apple Chevrolet here in Tinley Park, Illinois. I'm here today to show off Chevy's newest reintroduction to the model lineup, our 2019 Chevy Blazer. This Blazer is complete with the RS package, which comes with a unique grille up front, custom wheels, black Chevy logos front, back, and on the steering wheel, as well as a custom trimmed Redline interior. This Blazer is equipped with the 3.6 liter V6 engine along with a 9-speed transmission. Today at Apple Chevrolet, you can save over $1,800 off MSRP on this brand new Blazer and be the talk of your town when you come cruising down the street in a newly released Chevy vehicle. Here we can check out the interior a little bit. You see the custom black with red stitching leather interior. And there's the black Chevy logo we were talking about. Nicely set up dashboard and infotainment system. This one is complete with heated and ventilated front seats to keep you warm or cool. If there are any other questions about this vehicle or others on our lot, please don't hesitate to reach out to Apple Chevrolet. We can be reached at 708-429-3000. That's 708-429-3000, or online at applechevy.com. Thank you very much.